To set up alerts for Zopa Fixed Saver, start by logging into your Zopa account through the website or mobile app. Once you have accessed your account, navigate to the Settings or Account Options section, where you will find the Alerts or Notifications tab. Click on this tab to view the available alert options. Zopa Fixed Saver allows you to set up various alerts, including low balance alerts, interest rate change alerts, and maturity date reminders. To set up an alert, select the type of alert you want to receive and choose the notification method, which can be either email or in-app notification. For example, if you want to set up a low balance alert, you will need to specify the balance threshold at which you want to receive the alert. You can choose to receive the alert when your balance falls below a certain amount, such as £100. In addition to setting up individual alerts, you can also customize your alert preferences to suit your needs. This includes choosing the frequency at which you receive alerts and specifying the time of day at which you want to receive notifications. Best practice is to regularly review and update your alert settings to ensure you are receiving the most relevant and timely notifications. This will help you stay on top of your Zopa Fixed Saver account and make informed decisions about your savings. It is also important to note that Zopa will only send alerts for the accounts you have set up notifications for, so make sure to set up alerts for all relevant accounts. By following these steps and customizing your alert settings, you can stay informed and in control of your Zopa Fixed Saver account.